So, good day, sir. So, today I'll be presenting the progress of our final project. So, we are required to present at least 30% progress of our project. But in our case po, I think nasa 60 to 70% progress na since ang kulang na lang is yung admin side. So, nagawa na po namin yung um, customer side, both Windows and mobile. So, ito po yung Windows. So, dito po sa navigation bar, merong shoes, men, women, and kids. So, dito yung login or sign up. Ito naman yung wish list and ito yung bag. So, dito sa home, merong 5 buttons dito and each buttons meron siyang iba't ibang products. And ito naman yung footer namin. Then, dito sa shoes, merong ano dito, introductory paragraph about the product. And pati dito sa men and women, pati rin dito sa kids. So, doon naman tayo sa mobile mobile app. So, same ano lang siya, same design pero size lang yung nag-iba. So, dito nag-include kami ng menu for easy access. So, dito yung wish list, dito yung login or sign up, and yung bag. So, yun lang po.